What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services, coming to you today with a video about a slow draining drain. So if you have an issue, it's not clogged, but sometimes you will have an issue where your the tub is stopped up and not draining like it should. I tell you one thing, a lot of people put Drano down. I'm not a Drano person because Drano doesn't work that great. But overall, you see, this is not stopped up. But it shouldn't be clogging up like this without that's the stopper being down. It's clogging up like the stopper's down. So it's not totally blocked, but there is a restriction. So let's check it out. This is what you can do. I'm gonna let that water drain first. Now you have a lot of different stoppers out there. You got the push stopper, you got the stoppers that you can turn. This particular stopper, if you look, some stoppers you can just twist and turn off. Not so with this type of stopper. So what you have to do with this stopper, you have to hold it and unscrew the top. So voila. All right. And in doing so, you hold it and unscrew it here. And there's another screw. So you unscrew that screw, that bolt that's in there. And as you can see already, there is an obstruction right there. Right at the beginning of this drain right here. It's like some type of tissue or something. Let's pull it out. It's a wipe. It's like a piece of Clorox wipe. So that's what's in the drain. Now, you have two options, guys. You can use, if you wanted to check to make sure there's nothing else in the drain, you could get one of these clog removers right here that has the rigid teeth on it and stick it down there and pull out hair and all these different type of things. You can get these at Lowe's, at Walmart, anywhere really. That's option A. So option A is you just stick it down there. And you want to face it. The drain goes this way. So you want to turn it towards the drain. So you can stick it down there and snake out anything. See, and it pulls out, look at that. It pulls out all type of hair and clogs and all type of gooky crap. See that? You wouldn't think all that was in the drain, would you? Look at all that hair. Okay, that's option one. And you can keep doing that until you get everything out. Or you can use a drain removal tool. And with it, now if you have a brittle drain, you don't want to use this because if it's an old drain, when you use this, it's gonna break. It's gonna break the little guards in here. So, but this one is not that old. You can use a adjustable and turn it, hold it and turn it counterclockwise. There you go. Or you can stick a screwdriver in here and turn it as well. You see that? I'm gonna use the adjustable just because I like. And get this whole drain out. So that way when you take this, if it's a severe clog, you wanna take this out. You know, if you had to use like a snake because it's so bad, you're gonna have to take this out. But if you don't want to keep running the hair removal tool down there, you know, piece by piece, pulling out piece by piece, you can just take the whole thing off. You're almost there. All right, and if you're wondering what this stuff is around here, it's plumber's putty. That's what that is. Now, as you can see, it's just this that was underneath the drain. And I'm looking down the drain itself right now, and I don't see a whole bunch of anything clogged back up in there. So, let me move the tools out of the way. Now I'm gonna take this hair removal tool anyway, and just run it down here just to make sure there's nothing further clogged up in there that I can't see. I'm gonna have to put some more plumber's putty on there when I finish. All right, so nothing. So really and truly, you could in this particular case, it wasn't that bad. It was just that, and this hair removal tool, or a drain, cleaner tool, whatever you want to call it. It's about what, $4 at Walmart or Lowe's or whatever. It's very inexpensive, and anybody can use it. You don't have to have all the tools that I have just to take this off. But for a more severe drain, you would want to use that, and that's why that particular tool comes in handy. So, and what plumber putty does, it seals it and keeps any leaks. You want this water to run straight down here. If you don't want it to run underneath anywhere here, even though this is a little gasket, but still, it helps to seal off. If you have it underneath here, you don't have to worry about leaks or anything. So, all right, so I'm gonna work that down and just turn it back in. All right, where's my drain removal tool? That plumber's putty will go around here too, and it'll just make sure that the water is going inside the drain and not underneath the flange. You could also use, in some applications, you could use silicone as well, and put silicone underneath there. But this is plumber's putty is used normally. It can be used with it's used with metal on metal, and I like plumber's putty. Silicone, I like silicone too. I use silicone with plastic. Now, there you go. There you go. Now it's flowing like it should. And this will prevent, the whole purpose of this, nobody wants to be taking a shower and it fills up underneath them while they're taking a shower on their feet. Water just filling up. Get some of this plumber's putty and stuff down here. All right, YouTube family. I want to thank you for taking the time to check out my video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to write them at the bottom. If you enjoy the videos, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see when new videos are coming out. Thank you for your time. Have a blessed day.